Okay, this is a little demonstration explaining the Marko Rubio Investor Program they're offering for free right now for King County.
You're eligible to receive our investor kit free of charge. A group of investors is already taking advantage of this little known information.
I didn't know that I would be able to buy a house without using banks or without qualifying, and I bought a beautiful 4-bedroom home that has a 3.6% interest rate and didn't have to use banks or qualify, and so I'm really thrilled with this program.
And the best part is, you don't have to use your credit.
Loan, 5.75% 30-year fixed.
5.75% 30-year fixed.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah,
did you qualify for it? Did you sign for it?
No, not at all.
And your credit doesn't matter. And there are plenty of deals that require no money out of pocket.
I was able to purchase 3 properties with only $10 out of my pocket. So here are the checks to prove.
This program shows you how to invest in real estate without having big savings, without using your credit, without having a real estate license, without fixing up houses, without dealing with tenants, and without dealing with hard money lenders. You can bypass all the hassles listed above. We are not a lender and there are no points or fees we charge. Real estate brokers, attorneys, and investors have been using and endorsing this program. If you want to invest, you should get your hands on this information.
Hello, my name is Clay. I'm a real estate attorney. I've been practicing for 18 years, representing real estate brokers and agents. The methods are top-notch.
We met with the attorney. She said, "This is wonderful."
Real estate specialist.
She said, I've been a real estate attorney for 12 years, and I have never seen anything this complete thorough. And I said, "We'd love to take credit for it, but 2 words, Marko Rubels."
We may remove this offer at any time and you may never see it again. Therefore, claim your free program now, and you will discover how to legally bypass banks. Invest in real estate now, all using other people's credit and funding. Here is what it includes. It's Investor Kit Flash Drive. This program explains non-conventional investing strategies and how to use them to build your portfolio. There are no points or fees or hidden costs involved in this kind of funding. And 4 bonuses. First bonus, Insider Secrets, audio interview with the investors using the program. You will learn from an LAPD police officer and how he plans his early retirement, and from a stay-at-home mom and her deals. These are real-life examples. Second bonus, get your questions answered call. Ensure you're on the right path for your investing journey with a strategic consultation with a business advisor. Bonus number 3, 7 reasons for virtual investing game plan. Learn how virtual investing is the best skill for this market, plus how it can get you the best deals and make your competition irrelevant. Fourth bonus, real estate wealth building matrix. More than 95% of people fail in real estate because they aren't aware of the leverages that real estate investing provides. This real estate wealth building matrix shows you how some become part of the 5% who win in real estate. Go ahead and place your order now, and you'll receive instant access to some additional video training we've just made available. The program is free. Just cover a small one-time shipping charge. There are no hidden charges, billings, or subscription fees, and the transaction is secure.